Okay guys, sikwi-study date. Njengoba ubona ke, this is what is happening. So you're gonna be competing ukuthi ubani ofunda kangcono kunomunye. Ozothambula noma ozokuthiwa yini? Ozoba namalimu uyaluza. 2-2, ama-chances awu-2. Wapeta kawu-2, uyaluza, and then the other part wins. Agree?
Agree.
So ubani uzoqala ifunde? What book are we reading?
Ufunde lakho ngifunde lami.
So ngifunde noma kuphi ne? Okay, ngifunda into engakanani? Ngifunda into engakanani?
Paragraph.
I-paragraph, the whole paragraph.
Yeah.
Niyambona ke? Uyangirobha ke manje ngoba uyazi
Hayibo.
ukuthi okay kulungile. Here we go. Mina ngizobe ngifunda incwadi lena yini? The Mask of Ra of R.A. Written by who? Paul Doherty. Okay, here we go. Her eyes heavy with sleep, her mouth full of questions. Arolekti. Yeah, igama lomuntu lelo. Had embraced her, feeling her smoothness, her equity, freke.
Minus.
Okay, read funda phela wena. Okay, ngiqeda ngeparagraph lami. Sengibhedile. It's her.
It's my turn.
Okay, 10 or time.
10.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Ngiyafunda le
Mina
relationship.
ngifunda
Ngiyafunda la.
Mina ngifunda incwadi ebhalwe Ego is the Enemy.
Written by who?
Written by Ryan Holiday.
Okay. Go straight to the paragraph and read.
Okay.
Ngiyafunda kule relationship le. Ngibukeza lapho ngibe ngiphuza ngifuna ukuthi mangifuna ngimase ngilandele okunye ngibe ngivutha bhe.
Okay. To be or to do.
Yes.
In this formative period,
Ngifuna ufunda
the
into
soul
wrong.
is unsoiled by warfare with the world. It lies like a block of pure, uncut Parian marble.
Periani. Kuphi leli lelo gama?
Mani,
Okay. Hayi.
ready to be
No,
fashioned
wait,
into.
baby. Wait.
Ah, yeah.
Uyangirobha lo muntu lo.
Ngizange ukurobha.
A paragraph. Bafowethu,
ngiqala-
a paragraph consists of how many lines? How many sentences? Lo muntu lo nto ayifundayo le is just 3 sentences. Na manje
Ngiyaqhubeka,
babonisa.
kusho ba sengiqedile.
Okay. Qhubeka.
Undisturbile.
Qhubeka.
How?
Oh.
Uyabona-ke abusazi. Okay.
Yeah.
To be continued.
Yes.
One of the most influential strategies and practitioners in modern warfare is someone most people have never heard of. His name was John Boyd. He was a truly great fighter pilot, but an even better teacher and a thinker. After flying in Korea, he became the lead instructor at the Elite Fighter Weapons School at Nellis Air Force Base. Done.
Hayi. Ngathi qini lami ngedwa nje ikhanda.
Done.
Chess. It's my turn now. 2-2. Okay, it's my turn now. Ngisabhede kanye akakabhedi. That means mangibhede la she already won.
Yes.
Because yena uselela ukuthi abhede kanye ukulandela mangibhede la she already won. So nami because she uphike I-paragraph encinci ngizophica encinci nami.
Ngizaphika iqhubekile paragraph yakho.
Wena wayungikhethisa incwadi
Anzange nje akukhethe izwi
Okay, let me take another book.
Ukhethe
Hey, mada.
Uba ukhethisile obuyithathele incwadi. Hlala phansi funde.
Incwadi yase-Egypt le yabafethu. Okay, let me pick another paragraph.
Okay.
Uyalibona? Just like her.
Yeah.
No.
Ngiqhubekile.
Okay, mana,
From la
okay,
to
sharp.
la.
Mana-ke. Yosho nila ngikwazi ukufunda. Hey, yabo nje iline eqala la. Little pretty boys. Buttons. A man who drinks from many cups. Some clean, some soiled. But a good physician. He is a wealthy man. I don't think he would lie.
Fail.
Ay. Okay. Hello.
Fail.
Eh.
It's my turn now.
Eh.
To be continued.
Bathini la baba?
Angibezwa ngokuthi.
Ukhuluma nathi?
Ngazi ukukhuluma ngoba siyena ungani. Okay. He was known as 42nd.
There's no need to read now. I've already lost.
I won.
Yazi
Fair
ngiyabona ukuthi njalo uma ngabe
Fair
kudala
game.
it's not fair because yena uthathe the easiest book to read.
The easiest
Mina
book.
yazi
I
lena-
don't even know this
Lela
book.
it has amagama aqinile
I don't even
in
know
a
this
plain
book.
English. No,
I've never
valid.
read it before.
Baby.
I won.